Hey everybody, and welcome back to Manila. I'm here at the Parañaque station, a big bus terminal here in Pasay in Manila. This is a major transport hub here in Manila where normal working class people take their buses from and to work. And from here, hey, how are you doing? Oh wow. And from here I'm going to head over to the ultra luxury resort of the Okada Manila, which is one of the most expensive hotels here in Asia. A $2 billion development, and the contrast with this place here could probably not be higher. So let's check it out. Definitely a little bit more opulent. Jumbo Kwek Kwek, largest hotels that you find here. Okay, this was spectacular. The obligatory Jollibee. A Jumbo Kwek Kwek. This place is the epitome of luxury. I like the night design. Is that an entrance? I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Largest dancing fountain in the world. They're massive. What's the difference between the peanuts? It's the mother of all dancing fountains. Thank you very much. Although anybody can come here. Vegas is a small fish compared to this one. The Okada is a 10-minute drive from here or a half-an-hour walk. I'll choose the walk. These are different types of peanuts. Which ones are these? What's the difference between the peanuts?
Different. Yes, different.
Different. What are these?
Chili.
With chili. So they're spicy?
Yes, spicy. Spicy. Not spicy.
They're not spicy. What's
garlic.
it?
Garlic flavor.
Oh, garlic. Garlic. And these?
Not spicy, then spicy.
Okay, well, they're different, huh? Maybe I'll try a little bit of this. A little bit spicy, yeah?
20 pesos.
Huh? 10.
10 pesos.
Which ones are better? These or these?
Same.
Same?
Same. It's delicious.
Both are delicious, huh?
Yes.
Thank you. Masarap.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Lutong Pinoy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Salamat.
Hey boss, Paris sir, Paris.
These are very nice.
Paris sir, Paris.
Fresh,
Paris boss.
steaming hot peanuts. What are these? What is it? Hello. What are these? Yeah, what is it?
How much? 15
No,
pesos.
what is it?
Kwek kwek.
Oh, it's Kwek Kwek.
Yeah.
A big Kwek Kwek.
Yeah.
Jumbo Kwek Kwek. Yeah?
Tagalog, bilis, quick.
A Jumbo Kwek Kwek.
Yeah, jumbo quick.
Jumbo Kwek Kwek. Okay.
How many?
Just one. Because they're so big.
Only one?
Yeah.
How about this one? Tuklening.
They're smaller.
Small.
Those are the regular size Kwek Kwek. I take one jumbo. I've never had a jumbo Kwek Kwek.
You get your kwek kwek and here's the sauce.
There's the sauces, huh? There's the vinegar. So I'll take one.
Vinegar daw, wala ka ng ano.
This is the vinegar, huh? And what is this? Sweet. Sweet sauce. I think this is the version with the chicken. Is it chicken egg? Yeah.
Duck.
Yeah. Yeah. Normally the quack quack are quail eggs. Nice. How much is it?
15 pesos.
15 pesos. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello. Is this your store? Yeah. Could I get a sting? Cold? Cold? Yeah. Thank you. How much? 25. 25? Thank you. Good. Oh yeah. You open it for me? Thank you. Thank you very much. Salamat. All these salty, spicy peanuts make me thirsty, so I'm having a sting. Super sweet. Pretty good. I find that Filipinos love very sweet sodas and energy drinks. You find Mountain Dew, you find Coke, and you find like Cobra and Sting. Those are usually the soft drinks that you find at most of the stands here, street vendors as well. And it's super sweet stuff, but kind of yummy. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so with that, I have enough energy to go on a walk to the other world. There's still a lot of development happening in this area. Lots of construction going on. There's some finished apartment buildings. And of course the Okada Hotel is finished. But on this side it's all construction. I also don't think there's a lot of infrastructure here. I see a few Chinese restaurants here, but that's pretty much it. Alright, I've reached here the Okada, the fountain foyer. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is definitely a little bit more opulent than where I just came from. I like the night design of this hotel. Alright, let's go on a walk and check it out. Okay, so this thing is massive. I'm trying to figure out where I am. I'm here. Here. The fountain is here. I don't know where it's on, but we'll find out. The choice of restaurants here is also quite impressive. It's a very diverse set of food options, ranging from the obligatory Jollibee to Italian food, Japanese food, Korean food. Of course, you also have a Starbucks here. This feels a little bit like a gigantic mall or a theme park, more than a hotel. But this is a hotel, of course, primarily, with all kinds of other things that are built in. Very, very neatly done. It's a $2 billion project. I believe it's the most expensive hotel in the country. Look at that classy entrance of the Starbucks. Very neat. Is that an entrance or what? Gigantic chandeliers. They're massive. What a beautiful entrance. So this place is the epitome of luxury. Absolutely stunning. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it so far. And what a contrast to many of the places that I've been visiting so far in Manila. This is obviously the place for the upper 1000. Although anybody can come here. The hotel is open. As I said earlier, it's a little bit like a mall. The casino is open to everybody. So this place is beyond an exclusive hotel that is only for hotel guests. Anybody can come here. I'm still doing a little bit of a walk here through this hotel. Absolutely impressive. Here's a few facts about the Okada in Manila. It has a whopping 993 rooms. It's one of the largest hotels that you find here in the metropolitan Manila area. It might be the largest. It occupies 44 hectares of space, and the casino area alone occupies 284 square feet, about 26,000 square meters. Absolutely massive, this thing. The entire project had an investment of $2.4 billion, which in itself is also a massive investment. The building contains two main wings, the Coral Wing and the Pearl Wing, and those are connected via a sky bridge. Within the casino area, you also have 90,000 square feet shopping area, pretty exclusive shops, but it's a nice place to also just do window shopping. One place I haven't checked out here is the Cove Manila. That is a beach club during the day, and it turns into a nightclub in the evening. Must be quite a cool place. I haven't seen it though, so can't really comment on that. The centerpiece of the development is the dancing fountain. Wikipedia lists it as the largest dancing fountain in the world. Really, really impressive. Definitely check out the show when you're here. It happens on the hour in the evenings. I'm not sure how many shows they have every evening, but each show lasts for about 5 to 10 minutes. Very cool stuff. Hello. Can I ask you what happened to the fountain? Is it on or is it coming later or?
In a minute, sir. It will start in a minute.
In a minute?
Yeah, you can go outside, sir.
Here? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a good view?
Yes.
All right. Thank
Enjoy,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Okay, this was spectacular. The world's largest dancing fountain, and I would say it's the mother of all dancing fountains. I've never seen anything like it. I think Vegas is a small fish compared to this one. Absolutely stunning. This is by far the largest and most impressive dancing fountain I've ever seen in my life. You have to see this when you're here in Manila. Very cool. So you'll find this here in Parañaque as part of the wider Manila metropolitan area. And it's a fairly short walk or drive from the Pitix bus station. And I think it's worth coming. I'm not sure whether I would want to stay a long time here. I think it's a cool place. I think you have to see it. But after 2 hours or so, I think you've pretty much seen the place. Personally, I'm a little bit more intrigued by the people of Manila rather than such an opulent building. But yeah, it's still nice to see it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What do you prefer? The streets of Manila or the opulence of such a place like the Okada? And check out my other videos in the beautiful Philippines. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on my regular new videos. And I hope I see you next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.